Hello guys, this is Fab Machines. Today I have a question for you. What do you usually consider when you add a new machine to your workshop? Do you consider pressures, quality, volume? What I want to emphasize today, that there is a thing that people usually overlook. Is it easy to maintain? Let's take ArcBro CNC Plasma Cutting Machine Spark as an example. Spark uses V-wheels instead of sliding blocks. This is because during the cutting process, the dust will be continuously produced. So, it will break shortly, or you need to keep cleaning it. More important, sliding block is a very costly part. While using the V-wheels, we don't need to care about the dust anymore. And V-wheels are very easy to clean, just like this. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.